This man is creative. Repair masters don't want you to know these tricks, but they'll save you time and money. Wrench too small? No problem. Just slide in a bolt and you've instantly got the perfect fit. Stubborn pipe joints? Cross 2 wrenches together for extra leverage and watch it break free. And if a pipe snaps inside, here's the fix. Drive in 2 screws, use a screwdriver, and twist it right out. Subscribe for more clever hacks you'll actually use.
This guy's creativity is next level. Most people have no idea these hacks even exist. First trick, take a small spring, trim off the ends, and twist it around your charging cable. That simple fix can save your cable from breaking forever. Next, got messy wires? Drill 2 holes in a plastic pipe, cut it in half, and you've got an instant cable organizer. Stiff pliers slowing you down? Attach a spring with zip ties and watch them snap back like brand new. This man is truly creative. For better control with bottles, heat the cap, poke a hole, and cut the top. Want to pour without spilling? Put a small spoon inside the bottle first. Got a leaky pipe? Cut off the bad part, slit both ends, twist them together. If you like it, subscribe for more. This man is seriously creative. Want to know the smartest way to install a rubber gasket? First, thread a rope through the gasket. Wrap it neatly around the pipe, then pull both ends tight. And here's a clever one. Cut a bottle cap and the top of the bottle, screw the cap to your cabinet door. Boom! You just made a quick DIY door lock. If your plier grips keep slipping, slide in 3 zip ties, heat them, and put the grip back on. Just like that, good as new. If you learned something new, save this.
This guy will amaze you. Check out these smart little repair tricks you'll wish you knew sooner. Struggling with a tight rubber ring? Forget hurting your nails. Just fold a rope, hook it through, and pull it on with ease. Need to stretch a spring? A simple rope gives you the pull you need without the fight. And here's a clever one. Bend a fork, and you've got the perfect tool to twist wire neatly around a nail in seconds. Like and subscribe for more clever hacks that make life easier. No scissors? No problem. Just pinch it into a right angle and pull. Clean cut, 0 tools needed. This man is a genius. Watch this clever hack. Heat up a screwdriver bit, press it straight into hot glue, and just like that, you've got a flexible bit holder that bends, but never breaks. Would like to hide your screw? Countersink your screw just below the surface. Drop in a wood plug and it blends right in.
No fancy setup needed. Mark your 45 degrees with a square or paper, cut slowly, and watch the 2 pieces meet like they were made for each other. This cable hack untangles messy wires in seconds and keeps them tangle-free forever. A burst pipe? No problem. Just pack clay over the leak and boom, the water stops instantly. This stump remover doesn't mess around, gripping the whole thing, roots and all, and yanking it clean out of the ground.
Too tight to turn? Add a second wrench, or cheat with a longer handle. Leverage is your best friend. Perfect angles? Easy. No math degree required. Just line it up, and boom! Geometry's jealous. No calculator needed, just wood magic. Adapters are fancy. This is fast. Slide, seal, and hope your alignment game is strong. No adapter? Slide and pray.